Hello everyone, my name is John Paul, DayTradeToWin.com. Today is September 16th. What I want to do today is show you the signals and the trades that occurred on the Trade Scalper. Again, those of you who are using the Trade Scalper software have the same exact signals, and there are a lot of signals. Now, I think that with the first few hours of the day, there are a lot of opportunities. For example, this is pre-market, as you can see right here. On the Trade Scalper, we have 3 short signals. And then the day opens up New York time, and we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 signals within the first hour and hour and a half. Now, these signals, pretty much all of them worked out in your favor. But if you want more signals besides just these 5 within the first hour, hour and a half, look at all the signals that occurred after that. We have here 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now all of these signals here into the afternoon are short signals. They're all short, and you could hold on to them, you can trail a stop, but there are definitely over 20 signals here on the Trade Scalper. Now the one thing that I think a lot of traders don't use when using a time chart is a bar timer. And I have the bar timer here. And this bar timer is found on NinjaTrader. It's found on most trading software, but I know that NinjaTrader offers it for free as part of the indicator list. If you right-click on the chart and you choose the bar timer, which is right here. Right there is the bar timer, right there. And you just add it to your chart. If you're using a 5-minute chart, if you're using a 1-minute chart, and it will count backwards. And this is good because if you know that a new candle, a new bar is about to open, you know how many minutes or how many seconds are left before taking the trade, using a time-based stop, which is what we use a lot, a time-based stop when trading. And you can see there are a lot of great signals today on the Trade Scalper. Now, it's not like this every day. Here's, for example, a losing trade here that happened at about 2:30. So you have one losing trade out of the 10 or 15 winners that occurred today. So this is a good short trade, another good short trade right there. Short trade right there. And here we are at the moment into the close. Now, I don't like to trade into the close because the last 30 minutes, 20 minutes of the day, there's a squeeze on traders as we get into the closing of the day. The traders that are trading under margin only are forced out of the market. So the last half hour, you have a lot of traders that are just getting out of their positions because they need to. They're only trading on margin. If you have any questions, email me at support@DayTradeToWin.com. Check out the Trade Scalper page. We have a new mentorship class starting in about 2 weeks. You can check out the date on DayTradeToWin. Until next time, good trading. If you want to learn more about trading, visit DayTradeToWin.com. Subscribe to the DayTradeToWin YouTube channel, the next mentorship class where we cover all of these methods with lifetime licenses for the software.